This is Cool Trains of Montreal. I just barely got this one. Wasn't expecting it to come. The 4th of January 2023. Sorry, 2024. Whole new year. Still not used to it. Very cold Thursday afternoon. Heading back towards Metro, actually. I'm just here at the fence on, not quite sure the name of the street, but it's right near Sainte Emille. The dog park is just behind this train. There's a school there, I believe, too. It's a rather chilly day. Not the perfect day for train spotting, that's for sure. So it looks like I had a SD70M-2 anyway. Not sure what was the second locomotive was. Might have been one heading backwards. It's not often that I get so many tank cars on a CN freight like this. It looks like almost an entire train of tanks, with the exception of maybe one or two hoppers there. But here are the hoppers, just to make a liar out of me. Box cars. Probably not the perfect spot for this, but it is what it is. Wasn't expecting it. I like those opera window type cars. They're pretty interesting. And that's it. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains of Montreal. Have a good day.